Hello everyone, welcome to statistics. So today's session will be moving towards to the concept of your probability, where we learning the things where we'll be understanding what exactly the probability is used for. So basically, if you go with any probability concept, always remember probability is either has true or a false, which means that it always takes a two sides. It's always take us two sides. Take example, mathematical example wants to understand the probability. Mathematics example. What happen if a coin, and you need to find the probability for that particular point. How we need to find? A coin has a head as well as a tail, right? H and T. So what will be the probability? Either head will come, either tail will come. So to need to find the probabilities, P equals to 1 by, like whatever you have, the number of probability attempts is, or number of values you feel it will become, or total number of sides, or total number of the values. So P equals to how many things, like probability it will be like either 1 or either head or either tail. For the probability of a coin, need to find if a probability of a coin equals to either its head or tail, means 1, total number is 2. So 1 by 2 is a probability for your particular coin. So this will be the exactly the probability example. If you take as a particular technical definition of your probability, so a probability is the science where we can go with any mathematical thing. A basic understanding of probability is essential skill in your life, that is gamble, weather forecasters, the example of all those probability. So if you take as the things, it will be using for branch of mathematics. This is a branch of maths will be using this probability concept, where the number between 1 or 0, coin toss, if you need to toss the coin, so what happened in that, so those particular things will be using that. Probability means possibility, so that's why we call the formulas. If you take it's the particular formula, number of possibilities, total number of values. Number of possibilities for the coin, either head, either tail. Together it's not possible. So that is how you need to find this particular probabilities on that. Like if you go with head, it means it only head you will get. If you toss a coin, this example just in a randomly, if you want to win, you will toss a coin. So what happened? One person has to tell you want head or tail. One other person, if you take a head, another will be tail. One will win always, not both will win. So if you toss a coin, either the coin will be in a head position, it will come, or either tail. So that's why number of possibility only 1, either head or either tail, but total number is 2. That's why the probability of a coin is 1 by 2. This is exactly the probability we used it. So in a mathematics word, if you talk to the probability, it will be the event of space up to 1. So it's an event of head. Just now I told you, if you go with the probabilities, right, head of tail. So H comma H, you can go with H comma T or T comma T. This will be the things we are taken in. So in a formula of probability, let's see the formula of probability. So let's see the formula of probability. So what will be the formula of probability? We are going with P equals to number of events. We are taken at number of event. So P, and here it's an event, we are taken it, equals to then number of outcomes, how many outcomes you will come, divided by total number of outcomes, So this will be the formula for your probability for anything. Like you can go with any type of probabilities on that particular thing. So before moving to the types of probability, let's understand one example on that in a probability, how you will find it, the particular probabilities example, like how need to find out the things on the probability. Before that, need to see the probability tree, how the tree diagram will be work. So the tree diagram will be working in that way, this particular way, where we are having some branch, we are having some probability, taking as example for head and tail, this is half. So your probability will be half or 0.5. This is your head outcome, this is your tail, right? This is for your 0.5. So this is for your the tree of your probability, where in this, and this will be in your particular in a coin. So this is how the probability of things will become. So now let's move to the types of probability, where we have a basic three types, that is theoretical probability, experimental probability, axiomatic probability. Let's understand one by one what exactly those probability. So first one is your theoretical probability. So basically it's based on a possible chance. So it's based on the chance how many times it's come. Like if you go with theoretical probability, it is based on these things or reason. For example, if a coin you tossed at, like, so what will be the probability on this? Half. So it's taken in a reason, and it will be give you the particular output for that particular reason on that. That's why the name itself theoretical, means it understand the theoretical way or a reason. Let's move to experimental. A name suggests itself, it's a experimental, means it will be taking that how experiment way or observation way you need to find that. So take as example, if your coin, if you tossed it in a 20 times, so how many time your head will become, or how many time tail will become. So this type of observation, how need to search it, it comes to experiment probability. Let's move to the last type of probability, that is Exomatic probability. So basically, if you use this exomatic probability, is a rule of axiom, or the which is applied on the, you go with so many three axioms are there. So it is just used for, like, whenever you use this particular, it will be taking as a occurrence type, like how many occurrences are there, how many occurrences you need to search it, how many occurrences you need to go ahead with that. So those type of things, those particular type of probability is it used in the particular way. So those are exactly the probability, or exactly the probability concept in your, like, whenever you used it, it work on that particular area. This is how you need to work on your probability concept in a statistic. Thank you.